I think this might be my favorite car here. It's pretty ridiculous. 325, drag radials at the back. The cleanest interior that I have seen in a classic car. Everything about it is very on point. Recaros. It looks good. It's stanced good. With a twin turbo snail, turbo blankets, turbo everything. This is how you do it. It is sitting and looking incredible. And it turns out I work out with this guy. Insane. This year's Camaro Nationals was brought to you by ACS Composites. They have been an amazing company to work with. Both content creation, vision, just everything they've got going on. They've been a huge supporter of the channel. They are my #1 sponsor, and it's been quite the journey with them. And I had something I really wanted to put on the car for Camaro Nationals this year, and they came through in spades. They are just a fantastic company to work with. So I've been trying to finish up my vision. I've been trying to finesse the purpose of the car and get everything going. And mainly I've been working on this trailer. As you can tell, it's got a few new things in here. I'm trying to make it look really pretty, and I'm trying to load it with features so that everybody that comes out to the events to hang out and chums with me gets to be a part of this, because I have no interest in doing this alone. Spending the day-to-day with a good dozen of the guys I chum with and meeting a lot of the people that have seen my videos and live in the area and all kinds of different things has been pretty cool, and it was a fun time, and it's way better than going to a show and just sitting in a chair behind your car. Actually having people to chum with and interact with. It's all about teamwork. We race together, we go to shows together, we have car meets together, we do everything. So it's such an end-to-end process. So I want to share with you guys what ACS Composites put together for me for the show. She's a little dirty. I was just driving around in some relatively dirty areas. You can see the dust. Oh yeah. But this is the ACS Composites deck lid. I like their deck lid. I didn't love their deck lid. Quality and fitment is superb. It's a 10 out of 10. It is very heavy, but it is very solid. But what really sold me on it was the wicker bills. Once you add these to it, it just becomes that next level. So that was covering up a few blems I had in my vinyl work. I still have to clean some silicone off from the old beaver tail, but the wing is gone. The race trailer is coming together. Camaro Nationals was a lot of fun. It's always fun to hang out with the crew. Oh yeah, the trailer's a little messy right now because I've been in and out. We're going to another show tomorrow, so race ramps. I'm keeping to certain nostalgic things, I guess, that kind of look race car-y or pit-like, or stuff you might use. And quite frankly, I do use them from time to time when I'm at events and people need to do stuff. Tools and everything. I mean, the wicker bills got put on at the show today. Helmets are hanging, jerseys are hanging. Everything is ready to go. I've even got parts up in the overhead up there. I put a duffel bag with the change of clothes. I had all my camera gear up there. It's amazing. Next steps, I want to get the black repainted, make it all gloss black, put some stripes on this trailer, rally stripes on the trailer, maybe get some of the bugs off the trailer. As you can tell, it is a bit of a bug magnet. But it's good quality paint, so she's going to take an absolute kicking. Yeah, that's it. Side's so much dirtier. I cleaned it for a shoot, and the side was in the shadows, so I didn't bother. But yeah, that's what it looked like about 10 minutes ago, I guess. What a show. What an event. What an experience. I want to thank everybody. Till next year.